Good morning, students. Today I am here with a new lesson, that is lesson number 9, forms of the verb. Students, in earlier classes we have discussed about the verbs and their types. All doing words or action words are called verbs, as you know very well. And now I am going to start this chapter. As you can see in this picture, Ishan is a boy. He says, I am getting bored. मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. Then Rabbit says, You may read these comics. तुम्हें ये किताबें पढ़नी चाहिए. Then इसको पहले से ही पढ़ चुका हूँ. Giraffe says, Not read it. आपको read it नहीं बोलना है. Not read it, Ishan. The verb read has 3 forms. Read की 3 प्रकार की फॉर्म्स होती हैं आपकी. Those are alike. That means they are same. वे एक जैसी होती हैं. You should say, I have already read this comics. आपको ये कहना चाहिए कि मैंने ये सारी कॉमिक्स पहले से ही पढ़ चुका हूँ. मैं ये कॉमिक्स पहले से ही पढ़ चुका हूँ. Now, as you can see in blue colored words, all these are verbs. According to the forms, verbs are divided into 2 classes. यानी फॉर्म्स के यानी प्रकार के आधार पर हम verbs को 2 टाइप्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. Those are irregular verbs and regular verbs. irregular verbs मीन्स होता है अनियमित क्रियाएं और रेगुलर verbs मीन्स क्या होता है नियमित क्रियाएं. irregular verbs are those verbs which form their past and past participle by changing the vowels in their present tense form. अनियमित क्रियाएं होती हैं, उनमें हम बीच के वोवल्स को यानी स्वरों को चेंज कर देते हैं. किसमें? जो कि प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर्म में दिए होते हैं. तो जब हम उनका पास्ट और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल बनाते हैं तो वो वोवल्स चेंज हो जाते हैं. Read these examples of irregular verbs. I am reading for you. You are to listen to me very carefully and you are to pronounce very well. In first column there is present form of the verb. In second, past form. Third, past participle. And fourth is present participle. प्रेजेंट का मतलब होता है कि जो वर्तमान में हो रहा है, तो हम वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म को यूज़ करते हैं. पास्ट में क्या होता है बेटा? जो हो चुका है. और पास्ट पर यानी पास्ट मीन्स क्या हो गया? जो पिछले समय में घटना हो चुकी थी. ठीक है. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यानी जो आप काम कर चुके हो. और प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल में क्या है? जो आप काम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. नाउ आई विल टेल यू द मीनिंग्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ब्स एंड देयर ऑल 3 forms further given. First one is arise. Arise means होता है बेटा उगना, उदय होना या प्रकट होना. In second form it will become arose. Third form arisen. And in fourth form it will become arising. Next, awake means जागना. In second form it will become awoke. Third, awoken. Fourth, awakening. नेक्स्ट बियर. बियर मीन्स क्या होता है बेटा? जन्म लेना. ठीक है. इन सेकेंड फॉर्म इट विल बिकम बोर. थर्ड फॉर्म इट विल बिकम बॉर्न. एंड इन फोर्थ फॉर्म इट विल बिकम बियरिंग. नेक्स्ट, बीट. बीस होता है पीटना या मिलाना. इन सेकेंड फॉर्म इट विल बिकम बीट. थर्ड फॉर्म बीटन. एंड फोर्थ फॉर्म बीटिंग. नेक्स्ट, बिकम मीन्स होना. In second form it will become became, become. In third form again, and in fourth form it will be becoming. Next, begin means शुरू होना. In second form it will be called begin. Third, begun, and fourth form, it will become beginning. As you can see here, n letter has been doubled. So you are to keep in mind that n letter will be doubled in the fourth form of the begin. Next, bend. Bend means होता है झुकना. In second form, it will become bent. Next, bent, and in fourth form, it will be bending. Next, bite means काटना. In second form, it will become bit. Third form, bitten, and fourth, biting. Next, bind means बांधना या बंधना. ठीक है. सेकेंड फॉर्म में क्या हो जाएगा? बाउंड. थर्ड, बाउंड, एंड फोर्थ फॉर्म विल बी बाइंडिंग. नेक्स्ट, चूज मीन्स चुनना या चुनाव करना. सेकेंड फॉर्म विल बी चूज, थर्ड चोजन, एंड फोर्थ चूजिंग. नेक्स्ट, कम. कम मीन्स होता है आना. सेकेंड फॉर्म विल बी केम, एंड थर्ड विल बी कम अगेन, एंड फोर्थ विल बी कमिंग. नेक्स्ट, डिग. डिग मीन्स होता है खोदना. सेकेंड फॉर्म विल बी डग, थर्ड फॉर्म डग, एंड फोर्थ फॉर्म विल बी डिगिंग. जी लेटर विल बी doubled here like beginning. In fourth form of beginning, you have doubled the letter n, and in digging you are to do double the letter g. Next, eat. Eat means होता है खाना. In second form, गिरना. Second form will be fell. Next, fallen. Fourth will be falling. Fight means लड़ना. In second form, it will be fought. Third, fought, and in fourth form, it will become fighting. Next, find means पाना या ढूंढना या खोजना. Second form will be found. Third, found, and in fourth form, it will be there finding. Next, fly. Fly means उड़ना. Second means flew. Third, flown, and fourth will be flying. Next, get. Get means पाना. In second form, it will become got. Third, got, and in fourth form, their T letter will be doubled like getting. Next, give. Give means होता है देना. Second form will be gave. Third, given, and fourth will be giving. Next, go. Go means होता है जाना. In second form it will become went. Third में क्या हो जाएगा? Gone, and in fourth form it will become going. Next, grow. Grow means क्या होता है? उगना. In second form it will become grew. Third, grown, and fourth form of the verb grow will be growing. Next, hide. Hide means होता है छिपना. Second form will be hid. Third, hidden, and in fourth form you are to speak hiding. Okay. Next, form you are to speak holding. Next, know. Know means होता है जानना. Second form of the know is knew. Third, known, and fourth will be knowing. Now come on next page. Here first word is lie. Lie means होता है झूठ बोलना. Second form of lie will be lied, lied, and fourth form will be lying. I will be changed into letter Y, and you are to write here LYING. Next, make. You are to change it into made. Third form made, and fourth form will be making. Next, rise. Rise means be उदय होना, प्रकट होना या उगना. जैसे अराइज का था मीनिंग, वैसा ही सेम इसका भी होता है. इन सेकेंड फॉर्म it will become rose. Third form risen, and fourth form will be rising. Next run. Run means दौड़ लगाना. Second form will be ran. Third run, and fourth form and letter will be doubled. And you have to always keep in mind that you have to do the letter and double in fourth form of the verb for the word run. Next shake. Shake means होता है मिलाना या हिलाना. In second form it will become shook, and third shaken, and in fourth form it will become shaking. Now come on second table. Here is a word sing. Sing means होता है गाना. Second form will be it is opposite of give, and second form will be took, third taken, and fourth will be taking. You have to remove e and you have to write taking. Next throw. Throw means होता है फेंकना. In second form you have to say threw, third form thrown, and fourth form will be throwing. Throw, threw, thrown or throwing. Next wear. Wear means होता है पहनना. Second form will become wore, third form worn, and in fourth form you have to say wearing. Next win. Win means होता है जीतना. You have to speak like this: won, won, and winning. Here n letter has been doubled, and o you have to add ing along with the verb win, and it will become winning. Now we will discuss regular verbs, यानी नियमित क्रियाएं. Regular verbs are those verbs which form their past and past participle by adding ed, d or t to their present tense form with or without changing the vowel or vowels. नियमित क्रियाएं वो होती हैं जिनमें आप जब उनकी फॉर्म चेंज करते हैं पास्ट में या पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में, तो हम ed या d या t लगाते हैं. किसके साथ में? प्रेजेंट फॉर्म के साथ में. प्रेजेंट टेंस की जो फॉर्म होती है फर्स्ट वन, उसके साथ में. और या तो हम वोवल को चेंज कर देते हैं या उनको चेंज नहीं भी करते हैं. यू हैव टू रीड दीज एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंट. देर इज़ अ वर्ड एक्ट. एक्ट मीन्स होता है कार्य करना. इन पास्ट इट विल बिकम एक्टेड, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल विल बी एक्टेड, and present participle will be acting. So you have to speak like this: act, acted, acted and acting. Next agree. Agree means होता है सहमत होना, and it will become in second form agreed, third agreed, and fourth will be agreeing. Next word allow means स्वीकृति देना यानी परमिशन देना. In second form it will be allowed, third form allowed, and fourth will be allowing. Next answer means जवाब देना. In second form it will be answered, third answered, and fourth answering. Next appear means प्रकट होना. In second form it will become appeared, third appeared, and fourth will be appearing. Next catch means पकड़ लेना. In second form it will become caught, second caught, and in fourth form it will become catching. Next crawl. Crawl means होता है रेंगना. Second form will be crawled, third crawled, and fourth will be crawling. Next dance. Dance means क्या होता है? नाचना. Second form क्या हो जाएगी? dance, dance. Third form, and in fourth form you have to say dancing. Next deal. Deal means होता है व्यापार करना. In second form it will become dealt, third dealt, and fourth will be dealing. Next and in fourth form you are to speak deceiving. Next, die. Die means होता है मरना. Second form will become died. Third, died, and in fourth form you are to say dying. dying. ia will be changed into y. Next, dream. There are two words in second form, dreamed or dreamt. Likewise, in third form they will remain same, and in fourth form you are to speak dreaming. Dream, dreamed or dreamed. Dreamt. In third form dreamed or dreamt, and in fourth form you are to say dreaming. Next, drown. Drown means होता है डूबना. In second form it will be drowned. Third, drowned. Fourth, drowning. Now come on next table. Hear. Hear means होता है सुनना. In second form it will become heard. I am repeating again. Hear, heard, heard and hearing. Keep. Keep means होता है बेटा रखना. And in second form it will become kept. Third, kept, and in fourth form you have to speak keeping. Next, learn. Learn means होता है सीखना. In second form there are two words like dream word, as you have read already, learnt or learned. Third form learnt or learned, and in fourth form you have to speak like this learning. Next, melt. Melt means होता है पिघलना. In second form it will become melted. Third में क्या हो जाएगा melted. In fourth form you have to speak melting. Melt, melted, melted and melting. Next, pay. Pay means होता है अदा करना यानी पैसे देना. Second form में क्या हो जाएगा paid. Third, paid, and fourth will be paying. Next, prove. There is missing something, and in fourth form you have to speak proving. Next, say. Say means क्या होता है बोलना. Second form will be said. Third, said, and fourth will be saying. Next, sell. Sell means होता है बेचना. In second form you have to say sold. Third, sold, and fourth will be selling. Next, sew. Sew means होता है सिलना. Second form will be sewed. Third form will be sewed, and in fourth form you have to speak sewing. Next, show. Show means होता है दिखाना. In second form it will become showed. Third, showed, and fourth form will be showing. Next, teach. Teach means होता है पढ़ाना. Second form of the teach will be taught. Third form taught, and fourth form will be teaching. Use. Use means होता है प्रयोग करना. Second form will be used. Third form used, and fourth form will be using. You are to remove e here, and it will become using. You are not to speak using. That will be wrong. You are to pronounce like using. Next, walk. Walk means होता है चलना, and second form will be walked. Third form walked, and fourth form will be walking. I think you have got all these types of verbs. We will learn how to use them in tenses in our new videos. Next video. Till then, you are to try all the exercises of this lesson. We will meet soon. Have a nice day. Bye.